within the four corners of the joint circular, si Colonel Lachica ba, as a security officer, isang accountable officer?
Argumentative, Your
No,
Honor,
Your
and
Honor.
asked
Witness
and
will answer.
answered.
Witness will answer. It's a valid point.
Dili siya accountable, Your Honor, pero siya ang gihatagan o gihatagan siya ni Vice President Sara Duterte as security officer, Your Honor, na siya ang mag-implement sa mga confidential activities sa grounds, Your Honor. Pero ako paghihapon ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
All right.
On this point, Counsel, ma'am, may dokumento po ba kayo na nagpapakita na in-appoint ni Vice President Duterte si Colonel Lachica bilang security officer at na siya ang mag-i-implement ng confidential fund? O
Meron-
verbal lang po yun?
Meron pong black and white papel po, Your Honor.
May
Na-
office order po?
Yes, officer order. Tama po, Your Honor.
May
Sorry
kopya
po.
po ba kayo nun?
Wala akong kopya, Honor, pero sa office meron.
Okay.
Okay,
Counsel,
let me
your
proceed.
witness.
So, between you and Colonel Lachica, ma'am, ikaw yung bonded. Ikaw yung may fidelity bond. Si Colonel Lachica, wala. Di po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And then sa mga dokumentong sinubitin nyo sa COA, ikaw yung nakikitang nag-disburse ng confidential funds. Hindi po ba?
Gidisburse ko po sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica, Your Honor.
Let me guess. Kasi siya yung appointed as security officer ng opisina nyo. Hindi po ba?
Siya po ang gi-appoint, Your
Si ma'am, I
Honor.
memorized your answer na. Now,
Move to strike, Your Honor, impertinent.
that's a manifestation, Your Honor. The council can make a counter manifestation.
Leave it. Let it be on the record.
Now, Colonel Lachica is not bonded.
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
Okay. Hindi po ba, or better yet, alam niyo po ba, Miss Gina Acosta, na ikaw yung maaring makulong kapag napatunayan sa isang criminal court yung crime, for example, ng plunder. Alam niyo yung gravity ng isang kaso for plunder?
Asked and answered, Your Honor,
not
and
yet. Not
the
yet.
prosecution is badgering the
There
witness,
is no
Your Honor.
Your Honor, I am testing the credibility of this witness.
Overruled,
Correct.
counsel.
Overruled.
Overruled, counsel. If
Oh.
the witness knows, she's not a lawyer, and
Oh.
her background is customs administration. If she knows, alam niyo po ba yung sagot sa tanong ng abogado, Ms. Gina?
Di ko alam ang
Okay, hindi mo
ibig
alam.
sabihin yun, Your Honor.
Hindi nyo alam, ma'am, na between you and Colonel Lachica, kasi Colonel Lachica ay wala namang track, walang trace sa mga dokumento. Eh, ikaw yung po pwedeng makulong for misappropriation of confidential funds, hindi si Colonel Lachica. That question is so simple. Alam nyo po ba yan?
Speculative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, okay, can I explain? That's not speculative, Your Honor, please. That's not an if and when question. There's basis for that.
Witness will answer. If she knows.
Yes, based sa GC po, ang accountable officer po ay ang SDO. Kaya po, ako ang accountable officer, kaya I see to it na merong documents po na maibigay si Colonel Lachica after po, matapos po ang pag-implement ng confidential activities, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi ako po ang magagawa ng liquidation kasi ako man po ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
Okay, a few more questions, Your Honor, please.
Proceed, counsel.
Now, Madam, paulit-ulit sinasabi nyo, yung certification nyo, liquidation report, base yan sa dokumento, tsaka inputs, information galing mismo sa isang tao, galing sa isang tao lang, si Colonel Lachica, hindi po ba?
Yes,
Now this is now the question now. Ma'am, alam nyo po ba yung nilalaman ng letter C ng 6.3 ng joint circular? Okay, do we have that? Please show that. While it is being shown, babasahin ko for the public to understand. Trabaho ng isang opisina, head of agency. No? to institute and maintain sound and effective internal control measures to discourage and prevent irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, and unconscionable expenditures, as well as promote prudence in the use of government resources. Trabaho po ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President, Head of Agency, na magkaroon ng internal control upang mapigilan yung irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant. Now, ito yung tanong now. Yung proseso nyo, binibigay mo kay Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos. Colonel Lachica yung nagsasabi ano yung activities. Nagsasubmit siya ng mga dokumento na inamin nyo, wala kayong personal knowledge. Hindi nyo alam kung totoo ba. Now, nagpapakita ba iyan ng rini-require na internal control sa loob ng Office of the Vice President? Yes or no?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
There's basis to the question, Your Honor.
If that's your last question, Counsel, I'll allow it. But actually, it is argumentative.
Another one, Your Honor. Another one.
Proceed to your last question, Counsel.
Now, eto now. Yung tinatanong sa'yo, sinasabi mo, bine-verify ko naman yung mga inputs, yung mga information, yung mga dokumento galing kay Colonel Lachica. Naalala niyo po ba yan?
Yes, giverify ko
Now,
kay security officer, Your Honor.
in verifying information handed to you, delivered to you, documents delivered to you by Colonel Lachica, ma'am, hindi po ba kalukuhan na yung bine-verify nyo, yung tao mismo nagbigay ng information?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Counsel, Reform Counsel, you know what I'm referring to.
That's all for this witness, Your Honor.